Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be doing a review of the Blaze Pizza Build Your Own Pizza. So, chart your own course. Blaze Pizza. They have cool little boxes that let you take your pizza out in. And I really like the quotes, but this pizza is absolutely delicious. So, I got the Build Your Own Pizza here. Let me give you a brief look at that. And on top of it, I got the red sauce, which is their tomato sauce. You can also get a spicy one, which is nice too, but I got the red sauce and I got a pesto drizzle on top of the sauce. And then I got the mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, Italian sausage, Italian meatballs, chopped or grilled chicken, which is really good pizza topping, grilled chicken, red onion, green pepper, and mushrooms, garlic, oregano, sea salt, and then a pesto drizzle on top. So we have double pesto on here. Got it on the sauce and then on top of the cheese. And it's really good. You can choose your own toppings, and I love that. You can choose your own toppings at like every pizza place, but this is like a Subway style right up in front, so it's really cool. And they pack the toppings on for how thick the crust is, which is great. I don't like eating a lot of bready crust, so having a pizza like this, really nice. I'm gonna go right out of here. Amazing. One thing I like a lot about this pizza is that there's so much vegetable and protein and everything, or meats per bite, that, I don't know, it has a completely different taste than many other pizza places that are thick bread and a lot of cheese. This stuff has a lot of actual substance to it, which is super nice. It all has a lot of flavor. Pesto is really good too. Dang. So I really like their pizza because you have full creative control over what you want on it. You can get pesto and a lot of cool different ingredients that not a lot of places have. It's all fresh ingredients. It's thin crust. There's so much to love about it. I'll have one more bite of this and I'll give my final review. Big meatball there with some pesto on it. That was amazing. So, Blaze Pizza, one of the best pizza places, partially owned by LeBron James too, which is pretty cool. Anytime I was in Toronto when I was younger, I used to always want to go to Blaze Pizza because it tastes so good. They also have like different juices you can select from. There's a lot of great things about Blaze Pizza. So I'll give the Blaze Pizza Build Your Own Pizza a 9 to a 9.5 out of 10. It's one of my favorite pizza places to go to because it's be lower in calories than some of the other ones. Because of the thinner bread, you get full creative control over what toppings you want on it, what type of sauce you want, what type of cheese you want, what type of drizzle you want, and everything else involved in that. So really great. I love it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.